Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam quizzes, and for complete course read on my WhatsApp or email. I will do for you this complete seminar course. I will do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, and all Microsoft Word with A plus grade. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the laptop screen. So, the title of project Excel 2021 in practice chapter 1 guided project 1 to 3. In this project, you edit a worksheet for wear our shoes that tracks this product inventory. You change the zoom size, reset the panes, and okay, you can read this instructions. So skill covered in this project, you can see we will skill covered in this project. Open and save a workbook. Change zoom. Open and save workbook. Change zoom size and remove a spell. Freeze page, format, label, and values. Okay, you can read this all skill covered in this project. Open and save a workbook. Okay, rename the sheet tab. Use page layout view to insert a footer. So step to complete this project. This is the important session of this project. We will complete the steps for this project. Okay, question number 1, mark the step as checked when you complete them. Point 1, question number 1, open the wear your shoes 01 XLS start file if the workbook opens in protected view. Click the enable editing button so you can modify it. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor and save it. Okay, simply we will open our wear your shoes 1 XLS. Okay, I have also enabled editing button. Click and is not protected view. So moving on question number 2, remove a split and freeze panes. Click the split button. The split is removed. View tab, window group. We will go to our Excel workbook. So we will remove a split and freeze pane. Click the split button. The split is removed. Go to the window group, view tab in the window group, click on split button. The split will be removed. This point is done. So point B of question number 2 is here. Click cell A4 to freeze the column title at the position. Click cell A4. Okay. So point C of question number 2, click the freeze panes button. Go to the view tab. In the zoom group, click on, so in the window group, click on freeze pane button, click on freeze top pane. Okay, so point D is that a solid border appear between row 3 and 4 to mark the pane. Okay, a solid border appear between row 3 and 4 to mark the pane. We will click on. Okay. Point is that scroll to row 31 and click cell E31. The column title are frozen. Scroll to row 31 and click E31. Row 31 and click on E31. The column title are frozen. Tab 3 and press enter. Type 3 and press enter. We will remove the 0 and type 3 and press enter. So next point G is that press Ctrl plus home. The insertion point return to cell A4. Press Ctrl plus home. Okay, this is good. So the next is question number 3. Okay, so moving on question number 3. In question number 3, change zoom size and unfreeze the pane. Okay, change zoom size and unfreeze the pane. Click the zoom to 100% button. View tab, zoom group. We will go to our Excel workbook and go to the view tab. Okay, in the zoom group, and we will click on 100% zoom button. Okay. So the point B of question number 3, click the unfreeze pane button. View tab, window group. Okay. Go to the view tab in the window group. Click on unfreeze pane button. Unfreeze pane button. So point C, the solid border between row 3 and 4 is removed. The solid border between row 3 and 4 is removed. Click cell A1. We will click on cell A1. So we will move on question number 4. In question number 4, check spelling in the worksheet. Click the spelling button. View tab, proofing group. The first occurrences of Hyken is found as misspelled. Okay, click the spelling button, review tab. Go to the review tab in the proofing group, click on spelling button. So the first occurrences of hiking. Select hiking in the suggestion list. Go to the suggestion list and select hiking. Click change all to correct all occurrences of misspelled word. Figure 1 to 92. We will click on change all button. So spell check complete. You are good to go. Click on OK button. So moving on question number question point D of question number 4. Use the fill handle to copy a formula. Click cell H4. The formula display in the formula bar. The formula multiplies the quantity by the cost to calculate. The formula multiplies the quantity by the cost to calculate the value of the current stock. Figure 1 to and 3. Simply click on cell H4, press is equal to the formula display in the formula bar. You can see E4 multiplying by G4. E4 is quantity multiplying by G4 is cost. So point B, point to the fill handle cell H4. We will point to the fill handle H4. Double click the fill pointer. The formula is copied down to the entire column. Okay, double click to the fill handle and formula will be double click the fill pointer. The formula is copied down to the entire column. You can see entire column is done. So point D of question number 5, press Ctrl plus home. Press Ctrl plus home. Okay. So question number 6, click the themes button, layout tab and choose icon from the gallery themes group. We will go to the page layout tab in the themes group, click on themes button. We will select icons theme. Okay. So moving on question number 7. In question number 7, merge and center the title. Select cell A1 to J1. Okay, select question number 7, merge and center the title. Select cell A1 to J1 and click the merge and center button. Merge and center button. Simply we will select this range A1 to J1. Go to the home tab in the alignment group. Click on merge and center button. Okay, and select merge and center. Okay, this range will be merge and center. Point B, merge and center cell A2 to J2. We will select cell A2 to J2 and we will go to the home tab in the alignment group. Click on merge and center button. So merge and center cell A2 to J2. Question number 8, apply cell style and adjust row height. Apply cell style and adjust row height. Point A of question number 8, select cell A1, click the cell style button and select title in the Okay, and select title in the titles and headings. Okay, we will select cell A1, click the cell style button and select title in the title and headings category. We will go to the Excel workbook. We will select cell A1 and go to the home tab. In the styles group, click on cell style button. We will select title cell style. We will select title cell style. Okay. Okay, point B, select cell A2 and apply the heading 4 style. Select cell A2 and go to the home tab. In the styles group, click on cell style button. We will apply heading 2 style. Okay, heading 4 style. Point C is that click the font size arrow and select 14 point. The font size change overrides the font size of the cell style. Click the font size arrow and select 14. We will go to the home tab in the font group, click on font size arrow and select 14 font size. Okay. Point D of next point D of this question is as point to the row 1 heading and drag to select row heading 1 to 2. Okay. We will select point to the row 1 heading and drag to select row heading 1 to 2 row. Okay. Click the format button and choose row height. Okay. We will click the format button, go to the home tab in the cell group, click cells group, click on format button and we will select row height button. So row height, tab 22 as the new row height and press enter. 22 as the new row height and press enter. Okay. Point G is that select cell A3 to J3. Select cell A3 to J3. Okay. From the cell style gallery, select light yellow 40% S and 3. Okay, from the cell style gallery, select light yellow, go to the home tab in the cells group, click on cell style gallery button, we will select 40% light yellow 40% S and 3. Point I, apply bold to the selected cells. Apply bold to the selected cell. Go to the home tab in the font group, click on bold button, selected cell will be bolded. So click the row 3 heading. Click the row 3 heading. We will select row 3. So point to the bottom border of new row heading to display the resize arrows. Drag the resize arrow 20.1 as the new row height. Okay. We will select row 3 and drag 21.0 new row size. Okay. 21.0 28 pixel size for row 3 size. Okay, point M is that click the zoom out button in the status bar if necessary so that you can see our rows. Zoom button. Okay, you can see I have clicked zoom out button. So moving on, question number 9. In question number 9, change alignment format values, apply border and increase the indent. Select cell D4 to F39. Select cell D4 to F39. So this cell is selected. Click the center button. Go to the home tab in the alignment group. Click on center button. So next point, select cell G4 to H39. G4 to H39. Okay. So click the accounting number format button. Click the accounting number format button. We will go to the home tab in the number group, click on accounting number format button. So select cell A3 to J39. Select cell J3 to A39, J39. Okay, this cell is selected. Click the borders drop down arrow and select all borders. Okay, go to the home tab in the font group, click on borders button and select all borders, and we will select all borders. Okay, so the next point is G. While the cells are selected, click the font size drop down arrow and choose 12 again. Font size and select 12 font size. Okay. So point H, click cell B4 to C39 and click the increase indent button. This move one time. Okay, increase indent button one time. We will select this range first, B4 to C39. B4 to C39. We will enter this range. Go to the home tab in the number group. Click increase indent one time. Increase indent one time. Okay. So point I is that click and drag to select column A to J. Click and drag column A to J. So double click the border between column J and K to auto fit the selected column. We will go auto fit. Okay. So point K, select and center align the label in row 3. Row 3 and select and center. Go to the home tab in the alignment group, press center the alignment. So question number 10, insert a column and create a pattern to fill data. Okay, you can see on my laptop screen I have done 10 questions of this project. If you need help in this complete project and if you want to do it for this complete seminar course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access, and other online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Java, MyLab C++, MyLab Management, business classes, math courses, calculus courses, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.